Mamas, this simple natural hair wash day routine that I'm about to share with you changed my daughter's hair for the better. I'm talking health, no breakage, which results in length retention, shorter detangling times, and so much more. If you're also looking to change your little one's hair, this video is for you. Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so to begin with, I like to fully saturate my daughter's hair with warm water. By the way, mamas, I usually pre-poo my daughter's hair prior with coconut oil overnight, but in this occasion, I didn't as I was testing out a new rinse out conditioner. Now, this rinse out conditioner is amazing, absolutely amazing. You can see me applying it to my daughter's hair right now. It's actually one of the best rinse out conditioners that I've used for detangling. So I wanted to see how it would perform, without the additional pre-poo step. And boy, was I not disappointed. But more about that later. So when I'm detangling my daughter's hair, I like to prepare it by applying this, rinse out conditioner to her hair. This is a silicone-based rinse out conditioner, by the way. I also section her hair off and begin by finger detangling. So I finger detangle in sections first, and then I use a tool. And that is a brush, the brush you see me using right now. It is the wet brush by Tangle Teaser. This brush is also really, really good. So the rinse out conditioner along with this brush, absolutely amazing. Okay, mama, so back to this rinse out conditioner. This rinse out conditioner has amazing slip. Detangling my daughter's hair, I was able to detangle her hair with so much ease, no breakage, and the best thing is that it only took me 30 minutes to detangle her bum length hair. Usually it takes me 1 hour. Okay, so now once I'm done with detangling her hair, I like to twist up her hair. This is so that her hair doesn't get tangled back up as I am shampooing her hair. So I actually shampoo her hair in these twists. By the way, mamas, I only detangle my daughter's hair on wash day. Outside of wash day, I do not detangle her hair, especially with tools. So now I'm just rinsing away the conditioner from her hair. Then I'm going to shampoo her hair in these twists. So now I'm applying the shampoo to her hair. I like to focus on her scalp first and then the full length of her hair. Shampooing her hair in twists, this allows me to really target her scalp. Another reason why I really like washing her hair in twists, and as I mentioned before, also so that her hair doesn't get tangled back up. Now on this occasion, I'm actually using a clarifying shampoo to shampoo her hair. This clarifying shampoo is going to remove all of that stubborn buildup from her hair and just help her to start on a clean slate. Really, really enjoyed this shampoo. When it comes to shampooing my daughter's hair with a regular shampoo, I shampoo her hair every 2 weeks. When it comes to using a clarifying shampoo, I shampoo her hair with this clarifying shampoo every 4 weeks. Mamas, if you do not have a regimen for your little one, you are playing yourself. You need to have a regimen for your little one if you want their hair to thrive. But as always, I've got you. Click the link below this video and download your free guide. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a regimen for your little one, a regimen that actually works. In this regimen guide is going to tell you the what, the when, and the how, okay? So click the link as I mentioned below this video and download your free guide and thank me later. Okay, mama, so it's now time to deep condition my daughter's hair now that we've shampooed her hair. Now, on this occasion, I am using a light protein mask. Now, with a protein mask or deep conditioner, I like to do this once a month. And then I use a protein-free deep conditioner or mask every 2 weeks. Mamas, as you can see, I really like to take my time at each step of her wash day, especially when it comes to shampooing, detangling, and now applying the deep conditioner to her hair. I want her hair to be fully coated with this deep conditioner so that even after I've rinsed it off, her hair will still benefit from the many benefits of deep conditioning. One thing I also love to do is to apply the deep conditioner to her hairline, her edges, because they need love too, mamas. So when you're deep conditioning your little one's hair, be sure to put the deep conditioner on your little one's edges and hairline. So once I'm done applying the deep conditioner to her hair, I like to just, pack it up, clip it away, and put a plastic bag, conditioning cap, whatever I have to hand, and I'll allow the deep conditioner to sit in her hair for about 10 minutes and then I will rinse it off. Okay, mama. So another game-changing step in her wash day routine is applying a leave-in conditioner to her hair in the shower. So this is the first layer of her moisturizing routine, and I apply it in the shower because her hair is tangle prone. Her hair loves to tangle back up. So applying the leave-in conditioner to her hair just keeps her strands coated and separated, which makes the next step, which is moisturizing, a breeze. So now that I'm done applying the leave-in conditioner to her hair, I'm just going to clip her hair away into just like two bunches. And then I'm going to put her microfiber towel on her hair, get her dressed and everything. And then I will proceed to moisturizing her hair. Now, if you want to see how I moisturize my daughter's hair on wash day, and you really need to see this video, click the video that's showing on the bottom left hand corner of the screen. In this video, I show you the step by step on how I moisturize her hair, including the products that I use as well.